If you want to hide your online or active status on WhatsApp, this is how you do it. Now before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this. So without further ado, let's jump into my phone and let me show you how you can hide or even unhide your online or active status on WhatsApp. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your WhatsApp app. So it should be quite similar between Android and iOS. So all you have to do is just go to the bottom right, settings, click on it, and then you can see privacy, click on privacy. So we are going to click on last seen and online. For here, you can see who can see I'm online. So this is how you can hide your online status. All you have to do is just click same as seen. Obviously, you need to have the same settings as same as seen. So you can put as nobody. And of course, if you don't share your last seen and you're online, you won't be able to see other people as well. Fair and square. So the only way for you to actually hide your online status is for you to actually turn off who can see your last seen. Okay, so this is how you can hide your online status on WhatsApp. At the same time, same way as well for you to hide your last seen. I hope this is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do give me a like and also subscribe to this channel so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this.